Hello, it's Margaret and Rachel.
Hi, guys.
Here at the University of Sewings. We're at our booth, not at the shop.
We are on location today.
We are on location. This is absolutely amazing as usual. The quilt show is gorgeous. We're going to show you some quilts. We are here at the Indiana Heritage Quilt Show. It is March 6th of 2025, and welcome, guys. We really love having you.
This is amazing.
So
Opening
let's
day.
go ahead, and this is the booth. What you're going to find is we have our $9.90 available for you to see how it works. We've done some really fun clothing items that we have here. We have a kit for the patch to not patch jacket available. We have the start after breakfast jacket with embroidery on it. We've got everything, but I want to tell you there's some shop specials here, and there's shop specials at the shop. We've got a whole section of this table over here, all on sale, guys. All on sale, gorgeous stuff. So amazing.
See back here, all of this stuff.
Yeah, he's following me.
He's following you around?
No.
So
Loud. Yeah.
okay.
So we've got all these shops.
We've got all these beautiful things. There is a great show special, 30% off of pre-cuts, patterns, and
kits.
Kits, thank you. But I don't think I have any kits here. I think I just have. I don't have any kits here.
No, but those aren't the special.
Those aren't the special ones, sweetheart. We have kits here, but not the special ones. Those are at the shop. So don't forget to go over there and shop for those things online or in person. We've got a 735 here. We have an L890. We've got
are loading
still
in.
coming in.
It's so
much
exciting.
Fun.
This is
so much
we're
fun.
We're just buzzing.
And
buzzing.
let's turn around, Dave, and let's give some of these quilts a great shout out. How come we always get across from the prettiest quilt in the show? Well, maybe not the prettiest one, but it's darn close if it isn't. This one is from, if you look, it's an applique quilt Peggy Green did from Sparta, Tennessee. And this is called South of the Mason-Dixon line. It has gotten an honorable mention, guys. This is the kind of quality you see at the Indiana Heritage Quilt Show. These quilts are phenomenal. I believe this was all needle turn applique. It is phenomenal. She is an extraordinarily talented woman. And that is just one sample of what you will see at this quilt show. Dave, give them a little quick brief.
This quilt show is always
so
the
gorgeous.
most amazing quality. We're like, Bloomington is so lucky that we get this show every year here at the Bloomington Convention Center. If anybody wants to know where we are.
But the reason they do, Rachel, in all fairness, this quilt guild here in Bloomington, Indiana, which has been established for many, many years, is one of the most talented quilt groups I've ever seen. Every single person, it seems like, that's in the quilt guild is phenomenal.
So great.
So
I keep looking at this one. I just taught my color theory class, and I'm like, oh, I need my students to come and see this and see the color.
One
theory
of our
class.
customers.
Oh yeah.
One of our customers. Hello, Susan.
Oh, actually, I think that's our fabric.
Yeah, I think it is.
That's our fabric.
I can't tell what you want me to do. Okay, so we've got all these beautiful fabrics, all this beautiful stuff. These quilts are from all over the country. It is amazing. It is so much fun. Yes, there's a lot from Indiana, but there's also some from all over the country. One is prettier than the next. You will enjoy this show so much. If you haven't made plans to come yet, maybe you can't come this year, but put it on your calendar for next year. It's always the first full weekend in March, and they do an amazing job. Lots of vendors here, and these guys are great. I can't wait to go see the booths.
So great, and we've all been chatting as we've been setting up next to each other.
Yes, it has just been phenomenal.
Everybody is so kind. Look at this. I mean,
the quilting in this.
Do you want to talk about something blowing you away? This is like a satin or sateen. We haven't, you can't touch it, so we haven't been able to figure it out. But look at the beadwork in there.
They did crystals
all of these
on it.
embellishments
It's so
on
beautiful.
here.
Yeah, and
it's amazing.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Yes. This is fantastic. This is from a gal out of Arizona, and I just love the fabrics. These are all Tim Holtz the line, what did he, the abandoned, abandoned
yes,
line from Tim
yes.
Holtz. So that's a
I
really
recognize all those
gorgeous
fabrics,
group.
Hey, and look what I get to do.
I'm gonna let her have the stage, guys.
You guys, this is my booth. This is, you come here, come and see me, and let's play with some long arms. I have 3 separate long arms that we get to play with today. We have our Q20 on the 10-foot long studio frame with Q-matic set up. So we're gonna do free motion and computerized quilting on this, so I can show you all the things that this amazing machine has.
Show special, guys.
There's a show special going on, like such a good price. If this is the time, if you've been thinking that you want to take control of your creativity, you want to take control of your quilting, don't wait. You keep saying, you know, maybe you keep saying like, I'll do it in 6 months or I'll do it in a year. All that means that you're going to be 6 months behind where you could be today.
Okay, let's not forget to mention the block of the month.
Yes.
This is really important, and we need to put signs on both of them.
Oh, yes, so we've got to put...
No, don't take it off.
Don't take it off. We've
Don't
got...
take it off. You'll never
so
get back on.
This is the Field and Furrows block of the month that my amazingly talented coworker Denise is going to be running this year. There are sign-ups available right now on universityofsewing.com. Look at this beautiful project you get to work on. It's just incredible.
So you can buy the kit from us, or you can buy just the pattern, and then you sign up for the Zoom block of the month meetings, and Denise will be leading those, and you get to join this great group of people and be part of making that amazing quilt. And I will tell you what, I think it's gorgeous.
It's
so
gorgeous.
We've already got about a half a dozen people ready to do this, so you will be part of a nice sized group. It'll be a lot of fun, and it's always cool because we get a group of people from all over the country to do that. Okay, everybody, we've got to get going. The show is opening.
We're opening in 2 minutes.
So we're going to get going. We're going to have Tori post this for you, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. And come and visit us at the Quilt Show. We'll be here. The shop wants to see you too. So have a great day, everybody.